Anushree Mukherjee is felicitated by Sheikh Rashidul Hassan. Now I request Professor Sumit Mukherjee to start this joyful reunion program to light up the lamp.
We all our professors and alumni will be cooperate with Professor Sumit Mukherjee.
Hey, I'm